Humans have always used land to meet their needs, but as the global population has grown, the demand for land has increased dramatically. Land is used for a variety of purposes, including agriculture, urban development, industry, and infrastructure. Vast areas of land are cleared to grow crops, raise livestock, build homes, and construct roads. As societies develop and economies expand, the pressure to convert natural landscapes into usable land intensifies, leading to significant changes in land use across the planet. This transformation of the natural environment has profound impacts on ecosystems, biodiversity, and the climate. One of the most significant forms of land use change is deforestation, which involves the large-scale chopping down of trees in forests. Forests, particularly tropical rainforests, are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, housing millions of species and playing a critical role in regulating the global climate. However, forests are often seen as obstacles to development and are cleared to make way for agriculture, particularly for crops like soy, palm oil, and cattle grazing. Logging, both legal and illegal, also contributes to deforestation, as trees are cut down for timber and other forest products. Deforestation has far-reaching consequences for the environment and humanity. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in their biomass. When forests are cleared, not only is this carbon storage capacity lost, but the carbon stored in trees is also released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide when the wood is burned or decomposes. This contributes to the greenhouse effect and exacerbates global warming. Additionally, deforestation disrupts local weather patterns and reduces the availability of fresh water, as forests play a crucial role in the water cycle by absorbing rainfall and releasing it slowly into rivers and streams. The loss of forests also leads to soil erosion, as tree roots help to anchor the soil in place. Without this natural protection, the soil is more vulnerable to being washed away by rain, leading to the degradation of land and making it less suitable for agriculture. This can result in a vicious cycle where more land must be cleared to compensate for the loss of productive land, further accelerating deforestation. Moreover, deforestation destroys the habitats of countless species, leading to a loss of biodiversity and increasing the risk of species extinction. Another significant environmental issue related to land use is the destruction of peat bogs, which are wetland areas with a thick accumulation of peat, a type of soil made up of partially decomposed organic material. Peat bogs are incredibly important carbon sinks, storing vast amounts of carbon that has been sequestered from the atmosphere over thousands of years. However, like forests, peat bogs are often drained and destroyed to create land for agriculture, forestry, and peat extraction for use as a fuel or soil conditioner. When peat bogs are drained, the peat is exposed to air, causing it to decompose rapidly and release the stored carbon back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. This process adds significant amounts of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. In addition, the destruction of peat bogs leads to the loss of unique ecosystems that support a variety of specialized plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else. The loss of these habitats further reduces biodiversity and disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems. In conclusion, human land use has profound effects on the environment, with deforestation and the destruction of peat bogs being two of the most significant examples. As land is cleared for agriculture, urban development, and other purposes, the natural landscape is altered, leading to a loss of biodiversity, increased carbon dioxide emissions, and changes to local and global climate patterns. Deforestation, in particular, results in the release of stored carbon, soil erosion, and the destruction of habitats, while the draining of peat bogs releases additional carbon dioxide and destroys unique ecosystems. These changes pose significant challenges to the environment and require careful management to ensure that the Earth's natural resources are preserved for future generations.